Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is our evening time drive time update, guys. We got lots to talk about. Looks like the small fish are still buying up crypto, buying up Bitcoin. We're going to talk about that. Looks like Dogecoin is, one of the preferred cryptocurrencies for people out there to give donation to Ukraine. So we're going to talk about that. And it looks like Dogecoin is preparing to launch itself to the moon. We could see definitely 20 cents coming in very soon. So guys and gals, buckle up. Get ready. This video is going to be off the hook, guys. Don't forget to go down there, smash the like, subscribe like never before, and show some love in the house by loving this channel, loving the world, loving everything that's moving forward, guys. So it looks like crypto is, even though we're seeing that crypto is kind of going sideways right now, I still believe that crypto is going to go to the moon. It's absolutely going to the moon. It's just a matter of time. All the catalysts are there. Everything is there, guys. It's absolutely a great time to be alive. So let's jump into all the content and let's get it right now, guys. Please go back and watch all of my previous videos, guys. Oh yeah, this is big. It's a huge video. You're going to love it. I love it. So let's take a look at the pre-markets right now. I can see the pre-markets are down, down. And with that, we could see that crypto is probably going to go down tonight when the broader markets open. We'll have to wait and see. Maybe between now and when the markets open in the US, we might get some positive news out there, some positive catalysts that could take the markets higher and higher. So right now we're seeing that the conflict in the Ukraine it's gone on almost 2 weeks now, and it looks like the Ukrainians are still holding out against the Ruskies out there. So Russian invasion enters its second week Thursday. The Ukrainians are still holding out. Lots of donations are pouring in. We had Elon Musk setting up Starlink so the Ukrainians could have access to the internet. So that was huge in the house, guys. So let's see how this continues. And I really don't think that Russia can continue this pressure and momentum because their supply lines are going to get cut off. And I don't think this is going to last very long in the house. Let's take a look at the heat map. The heat map right now, we're seeing that Bitcoin is slightly down right now, down 1.31%. We're seeing that Ethereum is down as well, but the Bitcoin dominance is getting higher and higher. A lot more liquidity is flowing back into Bitcoin and out of the altcoins. And I still believe that once as Bitcoin starts to break out in the summertime, in the springtime, we will see a massive altcoin season coming. And we still got to talk about that Dogecoin could and will break out pretty shortly, guys. It's launch time for the Dogecoin, guys. Absolutely launch time out there. We saw that the fear and greed yesterday was at neutral. It's come down a little bit. It's at 39 right now. So I am absolutely still not afraid. This is a contrarian indicator, guys. Keep on keeping on. This is what the OG doing. I am doing only one thing. I'm dollar cost averaging every Thursday. Dollar cost average, and I'm hodling. I'm waiting for life-changing wealth. And there's more and more evidence out there that we're going to be seeing that the crypto market is going to be hitting all-time highs in the summertime, in the springtime. It's just a matter of time. It's already baked in, guys. It's already baked in. This is not financial advice. None of this is financial advice. This is just the OG expressing his opinion, and this is only for educational purposes in the house. So if you look at the top 10 coins that have been mentioned on Twitter in the last hour, and this is something to keep an eye on. We see that Bitcoin is number one, followed by Ethereum, followed by ADA, Litecoin, DGB. DigiByte in the house, guys. Not DigiByte again. Every time you hear the word DigiByte, I panic, guys. WXP, Solana, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Magic. So those are the top 10 projects that are being discussed and tweeted out on Twitter. But you can still see that Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are still part of the mainstream discussion on Twitter. And it's just a matter of time as we see that crypto is where the dot-com bubble was in the 1990s, guys. And it's just a matter of time where we are going to see that crypto is absolutely going to go mainstream, and we're going to see that the worldwide adoption is just a matter of time. And these whole conflicts that we're seeing in Ukraine has just been a big giant billboard advertising for the utility of how cryptocurrency, even during conflicts, can be a huge part of the whole financial system. And this is huge news in the house, guys. So we're seeing that right now. Even though Bitcoin has been hovering between 43 and 45,000, and Bitcoin is being ranged, in my opinion, between 42.5 and 44.5, 45,000. Traders are still waiting for the next big swing to the upside, but whales becoming increasingly active. We're seeing more and more whales massing more and more crypto, massing more Bitcoin, massing more Ethereum, massing more Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. In the last 3 days, there have been 13,000, let me repeat that, 13,400 BTC transactions, and a transaction exceeding 1 million in value. And remember, this is on exchanges. This doesn't take into account OTC and all the other markets that we never see and never impact the crypto price, because this is not on the order books because it's been done outside of the normal centralized exchanges. So some other stuff and more catalysts we're seeing on the monthly time frame. Bitcoin has been in an uptrend for over 3 years. So if you zoom out, trendy Wendy is your friendy. If you zoom out, you can see that on a monthly candle over the last 3 years, Bitcoin is on an uptrend. Crypto has been on an uptrend, and there's nothing going to stop this trend from continuing. And that is what gives me confidence, absolute confidence out there, that we're going to be seeing all-time highs coming in summer. And I still think, I'm a moon boy. Yeah, I'm a moon boy. We can still be seeing $100,000 Bitcoin absolutely coming in. And trust me, if we see that kind of number for Bitcoin, we're going to see Ethereum launching itself over $5,000. We're going to see Dogecoin absolutely over 50 cents or more. We could get back to the 70-cent SNL days. That is absolutely a possibility and a practical target to be looking at right now. So we could see Shiba Inu and all the other crypto going up. And right now, even layer 1 and layer 2 solutions are still hot and still have a huge opportunity to grow. And these are coins like Terra, BSC, Phantom, Avalanche, Solana, all Polymatic, Polkadot, Harmony. All of these coins are going to offer unprecedented growth in the long term, in my opinion, guys and gals. Remember, that's not financial advice. So some other stuff that's coming in right now, we can see that if you look at on-chain right now, we can see that whales and fish are continuing to buy. The small fish are stacking sats like there is no tomorrow. And you can also see that retail investors have absolutely started to get back into the game. And that's why we're seeing that in this chart. You can see that all the small minnows out there and the dolphins and the sharks out there are starting to stack more sats, because they absolutely know for certainty that crypto is going to be going uppity up to the moon, guys. So this is also coming in right, important levels to watch when BTC eventually makes its mind up. So we're seeing right now that, these are absolutely important levels to watch right now. We can see that, we see that 47,000 is an important resistance level. We see that around about 54,000 is also another important level to watch. And 60,000 is also another important level to watch. And the Fibonacci levels that we need to keep an eye on are the 0.5 in the house, the 0.618, and the 0.786. And absolutely, it's just a matter of time before we see Bitcoin absolutely get to the moon, guys. And when that happens, it knows that it's going to be a huge turning point for Shiba Inu, for Dogecoin, and things are absolutely going to go to the moon. And so this is from Blakenhouse, and he's doing a comparative analysis of the fractals of October 2021 and versus now. And you can see that these fractals are very eerily similar. And in October, we had that blow off top, and it took us almost to $71,000 in the house for Bitcoin. So you can see a very similar pattern happening on the fractal. And this is more and more proof and more evidence on chain that we're going to see all-time highs coming in. It's right in front of our eyes, guys and gals. You can't miss it. I can't miss it. If you're missing it, then you're not seeing what I'm seeing. Maybe I'm seeing something different, but this is absolutely huge in the house. So this is also coming in. Like I talked about in the morning, we still have this huge moonshot that's happening for Bitcoin. We have this uptrending wedge line, and this is also indicating a huge breakout to the upside. So this is absolutely huge in the house, guys. So if we take a look at our leverage traders, the leverage apes now, you can see that right now the leverage apes on the 24 hours right now is 142.82 billion. And the market makers right now, they're really undecided. In which direction they're going to go. If we take a look at the whole position in terms of leverage longs, we're seeing that 57% are leverage longs and the balance are shorts. And that is why we're seeing right now that the Bitcoin is doing the Krabby Walk, the SpongeBob SquarePants Krabby Walk, and that's why we're seeing a lot of the cryptos just going sideways right now. So let's jump into the Dogecoin price, and let's jump into some Dogecoin news. So right now we're seeing that Dogecoin right now is at 13 cents, and it's been going sideways all day. It's been doing the Krabby Walk right now, and we're seeing, as I said earlier, that Dogecoin its upside is limited to 20 cents as Doge continues to coil up, and Doge is creating pressure, and Doge absolutely absolutely is going to explode, and we could see a 23% run up, and we could absolutely see the Dogecoin hitting 20 cents soon. So it looks like that we could see a breakout coming pretty soon, and I believe the Dogecoin price is ready to launch. It's absolutely ready to launch, and it's starting to form higher highs and lower lows. And we see that this consolidation over time has been coiling up for a very long time, and it is absolutely time for the Doge to shine. So also, this is coming in from Dogecoin community donates 53K to Ukraine. So we're seeing that Dogecoin community is strong and showing its love and support for the Ukrainian community. And you know, Dogecoin is absolutely a great coin to be used for charity, because its transaction speed is very high and its costs are very low, and it allows the masses to send very small amounts. But you know, as a group, as a totality, if we're sending small amounts of Dogecoin, over time it adds up. So you know, I just want to say hats off to the Doge community, the Doge army out there. God's got to love you, because show support for Ukraine and get it. And this is just another positive story, another positive catalyst for Dogecoin. We have the Ethereum Dogecoin bridge coming. We have the Doge One coming in Q2. So we have all these catalysts for Doge. Don't give up on the Doge. All the Debbie Downers who said Doge is not going anywhere, believe what you want, but I believe that Dogecoin is going to be going to the moon. It's just a matter of time. And literally with the Doge One mission to the moon, Doge is definitely going to go to the moon. So let's jump into some of the informatics for Doge right now. Let me just give this a minty refresh in the house, guys. So we're seeing right now that Doge right now is still 62% as being held by a majority of holders. And remember, when people say, oh, look at Dogecoin is being held by a large group of people, you have to keep in mind that the largest holder of Dogecoin is the Robinhood wallet. And that means most of the Dogecoin is being held by exchanges. And who holds the Dogecoin on exchanges? It's you and me, brother and sister out there. So don't be fooled by all the negative Nancy's who are saying, it's not that good, it's not that good. And we're seeing right now about 51% of all the Dogecoin holders are in the money, and 48% are out of the money, guys, and 1% is about neutral. So that's looking pretty good, and we're seeing that Dogecoin is slightly down 1.76%. So we're going to get there. Let's take a look at the Shiba Inu price right now. So Shiba Inu price is unchanged right now, is at 25 in the house, and we're just slightly below our support line right here, but we're going to get back up there. You're going to see that also the Shiba Inu is going to be doing the Krabby Crab walk, because we're also waiting for confirmation of Bitcoin to break out to the upside. So I'm not too worried out there, and you can see that Dogecoin, Bitcoin is printing a beautiful pattern. It is still trading within my horizontal trend line. That is looking beautiful, and this is more confirmation, absolutely more confirmation that Bitcoin is still in play and we're still going to the moon. And I believe that we're still in a bull run, wrapped in a microcycle, guys and gals. And we can see that we have our resistance at the yellow line right there, and that's at 45,000. We have attempted to break that time and time again, but we keep getting rejected. It is just a matter of time. If we keep trying to punch through this resistance over and over again, eventually we're going to break through it, and we're going to get there together, guys. Go down there, smash the likes, and if you're watching the first time, subscribe, and don't forget to absolutely give a super chat and show some love in the house. If you take a look at the Bitcoin on the daily chart, you can see that Bitcoin is forming this W pattern right now. Bitcoin is going on a downward cycle here, and then it's going to probably go up to here, and then it's going to form the other side of the W pattern. So this is pretty bullish. I believe that Bitcoin is forming a W pattern, and it is attempting and will break out above $45,000 in the house. Let's get it, guys. Absolutely, let's get it. It's a great time to be alive. Woo! Let's get it. So we're seeing Ethereum right now is breaking down a little bit. It got rejected. It did get rejected right here at the $3,000 level. It's trading at 2,892, and we went all the way up here. We got rejected, and it looks like we're settling out around this area. And I believe that we're going to have an upside and break past $3,000 pretty soon. But that's all going to depend on a couple of factors, geopolitical factors, see what Jeremy Powell is going to be doing, and also the momentum of Bitcoin. So it's just a matter of time before we see Bitcoin and Ethereum break out to the upside. Let's take a look at Solana in the house. Solana is doing pretty much similar pattern as what Ethereum is doing, and this is because Bitcoin price has come down slightly, about 1.2%. 7% to 2%. So that's why we're seeing all the other altcoins follow suit. But we have huge support for Solana around about this level at $95. And right now, Solana is trading at $99.52 in the house. So that's still looking pretty good. And we're still above our support line. Let's take a look at Phantom in the house. Phantom is actually doing a lot better. It's at $1.91. And we're following my upward trend line exactly as I call it, exactly as printed. And we have some huge support around about $1.91 in the house. So this is looking pretty good for Phantom, and I think we're just going to be range bound and be sideways. We need to get some confirmation of what the U.S. markets are doing. So let's take a look at the total market cap, right? Market cap in the house. Let me just give that minty refresh. Make sure we got all the updated data for you. We're seeing the total market cap right now is at 1.92 trillion, and the volume's at 56.59 billion in the house, and the dominance at 42.58%. And the Bitcoin dominance absolutely needs to go down before we're going to see any big power movements for the altcoins. Right now, we need to see the Bitcoin dominance drop to around about 35 to 37%. And when that happens, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs, we're absolutely going to see the altcoins go to the moon and back. And it's going to be fantastic time to be alive. And you know, we can see that the crypto market has been holding pretty strong. You can see if you go back to the 30 days, you'll see that most of the cryptocurrencies right now on the 30-day are green. Definitely on the 7-day time frame, most of cryptocurrencies are also green. So things are looking pretty good. And we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is down slightly, 1.7%. It's at 43,362. And just imagine where we were in January. In January, we were much lower than this. We were below 40,000. Everybody thought it was the end. Look where we are today, and we're above 43,000. It's absolutely fantastic. We're seeing that Ethereum is also down 3.48%. And the reason that Ethereum is down much lower than Bitcoin is because the Bitcoin dominance is super high. Once the Bitcoin dominance goes down, you're going to start to see Ethereum start to take off overall. So you see on the 7-day time frame, you're seeing that Bitcoin and Ethereum are pretty much equal out there. We're seeing that BNB is above $400, so that is a good place to be, and that's down 1.37%. We're seeing XRP right now is up 17.75% in the last 7 days, and it's slightly down right now. It's almost neutral. Luna is up 73% in the last 7 days. Wow, way, woo, and we're seeing that Luna is only down 2.38%, and Luna is only 10% away from its all-time high of $103 in the house. So Luna is definitely something to keep an eye on. I don't think it's too late to get into Luna. I don't think it's too late to get into any of the layer 1 solutions. We're seeing that Solana right now is at $99, and that is down 4.31%. And right now we're about 61.7% off its all-time highs, and this is, I still think Solana is a huge pickup, a good opportunity. We're also seeing that ADA right now is up on the 7-day time frame, but it's down today. It's $91, but we're 70% from an all-time high at $3. This is absolutely a good pickup in my opinion. None of this is financial advice. We're seeing that DOT is down 3.47%. We're seeing Avalanche is down as well. We're seeing that Doge right now is up 15.73%, and on the 7-day time frame, and we're seeing that Doge is only down slightly, and actually Doge is performing better than the Biddy right now, so that is looking pretty good. And Shiba Inu is down 4.58%, and it's up 13.62% on the 7-day time frame. So that is not looking too bad in the house, guys. So don't forget to go and follow on Twitter, guys. Go and get it, guys. Follow me on Twitter. I would really appreciate it. Right now we got 4,074 followers. So go down there, get it. Smash the likes like never before. Subscribe, BYB. Absolutely, you got to comment. Tell me what you think about this content. Tell me what you think. And don't forget to give a super chat. And with that being said, guys, remember, none of this is financial advice. Go down there, become a Patreon member, buy the channel a coffee, and also check out the NFT collection. Do it. Go on over to the Wifey's channel. Get on over there. Subscribe. YB, you're going to love it. The best relaxing music on the interwebs right now. So let's get it, guys and gals. And don't forget to check out the merch. We got hats. We got the Mugdy Mug, the Cup of Love. One of the most fastest moving items. Get the merch, gear up with the OG, and remember, all the merch, all the memberships, and all the super chats go to charity. You know it. And if you don't believe it, guys, if you absolutely don't believe it, go back here and go and click on my Twitter, click on and watch this video, and you can see where all this goes to. So it's a great time to be alive. So let's take a last look at the heat map in the house. So God bless each and every one of you in the house. I believe that we're going to see Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and Dogecoin go higher and higher. Spread the love. Be well. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.